how can you find all of your linked accounts on the iPhone? So if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So essentially, when you open up your settings and at the top you have the main Apple account, and in there, if you are interested in the devices which are linked through this account to you, you can scroll down below and all of the other devices like the Apple Watch and iPad, the Mac, all of the stuff which I have connected through my Apple account is going to be right here. However, if you mean some different things, for example, contact accounts or, the different accounts for like Gmail or email stuff, right? So in that case, what you have to do is to open up your apps section at the bottom of this and go to things like the calendar. For example, if you go to the Apple calendar, you can go to the calendar accounts, and all of the ones which you are using in here are gonna be part of this section. So as you can see, I have the iCloud one, I have the Gmail one, and when I tap on Gmail, I can actually see if it's turned on for just the mail, contacts, calendar, and the notes, or which of them are enabled, right? So you can see I can manage it right here, but these are all of the accounts which I'm actually signed in with, right? So you can see that these are part of this. But as I say, you can as well just go to some other apps, things like the Apple Mail app, where you can find the very same thing. When you go to the mail accounts, the very same stuff is part of that as well. But when it comes to some third-party apps, for example, Gmail or Google services, you can see that I'm actually signed in with plenty of different accounts on my phone, but it's not really manageable inside of the main Apple settings. If I want to manage, for example, Google accounts, I can open up any Google service of my choice, tap on my profile, and go to manage accounts on this device. And you can see how many I actually have, how many are enabled, and I also have the delete button or remove from this device next to each of them. So that's how I can manage, for example, Google accounts. But every single app can be signed in with the different accounts, so that's something which you can only manage on app by app basis. So I hopefully was able to explain how it works. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the future videos.